our product for today is Avon Moisture Therapy Lip Gloss, and it is intensive healing repair moisturizing treatment stick, fragrance free and non-perfume. So this is a good lip gloss, especially during winter time when it gets so dry, and it's good for your lips to keep its moisture. And we'll see, let's open it. It will keep your lips moisture, especially during the winter time. And there's no perfume in it, so looks good. So that's our product for today, and I will put the link down below where to get this lip gloss if anybody interested. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.